I just want to do a quick review on this product from TOZO. It is the earbuds from their T10 model, and these are really, really nice. I was looking for some earbuds, but I looked at Amazon's and I looked at Apple's, and Apple's was $200 for the iPhone, so I said there's no way I'm spending $200. So I saw these was under $50, and I figured let me try them out. I checked out the reviews and they were all awesome reviews, so I figured let me go buy them. So I did, and I'm gonna tell you, I just want to show you briefly how they look and just explain to you how they feel. And I just want to show real quick when you open it. Very sleek package, very nice professional packaging. And when you open them up in this box here, because I didn't know that, your earpods are in here, the extra ones with the different sizes. So, and it was in a plastic bag pushed way in the back of the box. So make sure you look in there and get that. So they come different sizes. I use the small ones and they have been standing ever since. So I just want to show you briefly how it looks and just to give a quick review on this, just to let someone else see, because now this is what it looks like in the case, and you can see here it has the different colors, and usually it's lit up when they charge, and I'm in the midst of charging it now. It looks like a little robot. So as you can see here, this is charged up. You got the 4 here, and then when you open it up, when you open, you have the left and right, and it's telling you where it's charged. You can see the 4 lines here. It is fully charged. You take them out, you pair them with your iPhone the first time, and then they will pair automatically. So when you take the one, you'll hear it says pairing this one first, and it will flash, and then it'll pair your left one. And all you have to do is once you paired it once, that was it, unless you switch from your computer or any other devices. But I've had no problems. They just go in, you put them in your ear, you turn them slightly against your lobe, and they come in, and then they snap in just like that. I like this because it comes with a nice wrap here, and this is your charging cable here that you can use with any USB. And of course, you know, your rope here. So if I'm going to the gym or something like that, or I'm doing a class, I just hold this around me, and then, you know, it's so small it'll fit right in your pocket. So if you're working out, or if you have one of those pants that have the sleeves in it, it'll slide right in, and just close it up, and it snaps nice and tight like magnetic. So this is really good. And here's your charging cable here. You pull it out, close it up, and that's it. So I just wanted to do a really quick review on this. I thought this was really good, really awesome, good quality sounding, and easy to pair. And that was my thing, is to make sure it easily paired, and I didn't have any problems with it. So I just wanted to show anyone's interested in this, and I highly recommend this. It was a really nice product to get. I never heard of the company, but to me, this is very professional packaging. And if anyone have any questions with the T10 TOZO, I really enjoyed it. I liked it. I looked at other reviews from Amazon, and I thought it was great. So, you know, if you have a small budget like I had, when you don't want to spend $200 for some earbuds or some, you know, iPods, to me, this was a good alternative, like a really nice, high quality. You know, again, I recommend something like this. It's the T10 by TOZO, under $50. All right, I just wanted to get a quick review and show you some pictures.